What's up?
1, 2, 3.
What's up?
1, 2, 3.
Stop playing. Are you ready or not?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Warning,
What's up?
Warning. Warning. Warning.
Okay, come on. Are you doing this or I'm doing this?
I think you're doing it. I'm driving.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to our channel, Meet the Teats. My name is Melissa, and this is my crazy and wonderful husband, Chris.
Hello.
Not trying to. You were not just acting like that a few minutes ago. Y'all, we are about to go get this turkey for Thanksgiving. We are so stoked about it. This whole week, y'all, we are posting all things related to Thanksgiving because we, as you know, we are hosting Thanksgiving at our house. So we have been cleaning, planning, moving furniture around, getting things situated because we have a bunch of people coming over and it's gonna be great. So Chris is responsible.
I think something crashed in the back.
We have tables and chairs in the back, in the back part of the car. But Chris is responsible for the turkey this year. And this video is probably going to be out on Tuesday, maybe. So you saw yesterday that Chris unboxed his electric fryer. So if you have not checked out that video and you're interested in the fryer that he's using, or you're thinking about maybe getting an electric fryer, you're gonna want to click on that video down below so you can see him unboxing his fryer. It was a gift from his dad, so thanks, Dad, of course. Thank you so much. So he's deep frying the turkey. So we are actually headed to the store right now to go and pick it up from the store. I have never picked out a turkey before, y'all. Have you picked out a turkey, babe?
Yeah, I picked out turkey.
Okay, so Chris knows what he's doing. I don't. I'm just really here for like more support. But I've never picked out a turkey before, but Chris knows what he's doing, so that's great. So what size are we going for?
What size?
Yeah, what size turkey?
Well, I can't get nothing more than the 20 pounds.
20 pounds, right? Because the electric fryer, if you saw the video yesterday, you'll know the the fryer only holds up to 20-pound turkeys. So we're gonna get. I don't think we need a 20-pound turkey.
Nah, we have other meats, you know.
Yeah, we're not. Turkey is not the only meat that we're gonna have. So we're gonna have fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
What else you having?
They want ribs. They doing ribs.
Fried chicken and ribs and turkey. That's the 3 meats that we're having. So everybody's like bringing a dish or whatever. So I'm doing beans, a dessert, and Chris is doing the turkey. And people are bringing yams. We got yams coming. We got what else we got? We got dressing. Obviously, my mom is making the dressing. Her dressing is bomb. We are having macaroni and cheese. So we're having like the traditional Thanksgiving food, but we're responsible for that or whatever, what we're bringing. So we're gonna go ahead and get this turkey. I think like a 16-pounder, or maybe I gotta see, you know, I gotta eyeball it to see if it's gonna be enough, but I'm sure it's gonna be enough meat or whatever. So we will see you guys inside. We're headed to Kroger right now. Hopefully they have some turkeys left because it is getting very close to the holidays, and we will see you there. Okay, we are going inside. So we're at Kroger, just right around the corner from our house. And it's a lot of people here, so oop, that car about to pull out. It's a lot of people here, so we're hoping that all the good turkeys are not gone. And when I say good turkeys, I mean turkeys that's under 20 pounds. That would be horrible if all the 20-pound turkeys and under were gone. It would be. That would be disastrous. It would be a disaster. We would have ruined the whole Thanksgiving if we can't find a turkey. Wow, look at that car. That car looked like a Batman's car. Okay, we're going inside, y'all. Look at this family. We need a cart, babe. Yes. Are you gonna carry a turkey with your bare hands? Yeah, that's good enough.
Last one, huh? Yeah, last one.
They got the toys. Why they got the toys right at the door? Oh, this is cool. The Grinch. That's a cool display, babe. The Grinch. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Teat family. We love all of you. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Click all so you can be notified when we upload a new video. The turkeys are where? Okay, probably back here. Yeah. Okay, so my question to you guys is, do you have your turkey already? Or do you wait till the last minute to grab it? Is this last minute?
No.
This not last minute.
Still got a little less than a week, but it's in the few enough days.
Yeah, we have some days, but this is not the last minute. But do you guys
You said you talking like buying a turkey on Thanksgiving?
Yeah, last year I was at the store and I saw someone buying a turkey on Thanksgiving Day, and it was like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm like, what in the world are you doing? I don't know how that works either. I think we gotta go down this aisle. You wanna go down this aisle, Chris? Turkeys are over here. Oh, that's the bacon aisle. The bacon aisle is lit right now. Chris, you're passing them.
Nah.
Do you know where they are?
I got this in the control.
Chris knows where he's going.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
The meat is right here.
That's not the raw meat though.
Oh, well,
That's deli meat.
here's the thing.
Oh my gosh, y'all. We just passed up all the turkeys. And Chris going to the deli meats. It's not the right turkey that we want.
I just didn't want to interfere with anybody's shopping.
So he walks all the way around. Dang, why they got so much Hawaiian bread house? Nobody eats that on Thanksgiving.
You.
Hawaiian bread?
There's a turkey right there.
Okay, where they at? Where they at? Okay, we're approaching the turkeys. Here we go. Babe, these are not turkeys.
What's that? Oh, that's duck. That's side.
This young turkey breast. Okay, other side. Okay, here they are. Okay. Here we go.
Y'all say y'all didn't want it.
Butterball, no.
Y'all want the Genio?
Butterball got all that extra stuff in it.
This the kind y'all want?
It'll be a Genio.
This the one that mom.
They not frozen either.
The wrong one?
Yeah. Okay, so let's see. I don't want to touch it. It looks huge.
I think this might be the one I got right here.
The one at the top?
Yep.
You're supposed to never get the stuff that's at the top. How many pounds is it? You don't say.
12.
12 pounds. Is that a good size?
See, this is a smaller one. But I think 12 pounds should be enough because we're just gonna deep fry it. So you're gonna deep fry that bad boy, and that's gonna be that.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, so pick out one then. I think that this one.
It's a 13.
That one might be good. Y'all, what size turkey are y'all getting? They got some small ones too.
Yeah.
I guess it's for like a small family, you know. 12 pounder. I thought they would have been frozen.
You might be kind of fresh. Like they might have just got in.
Yeah. But ooh, that looked like a big one.
That's a 12. That's a 12.5.
Maybe we should do that one.
This one?
Yeah. 12 and a half. 12 and a half pounds.
13.
$13?
13 and a quarter.
Oh, that's bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that one. Let's do the 13.
13 and a quarter.
Yeah.
What's that?
Okay,
let's riding shotgun.
We got the turkey. Yay. So, you ready for this, Chris?
I'm born.
You about to deep fry a turkey for the whole entire family.
We're gonna deep fry this turkey.
The whole Thanksgiving is on your shoulders. You can't mess this up, babe.
I'm not gonna